You open the YouTube Studio Earn tab to finally apply for monetization, and a red Step 2 error message stops the process dead in its tracks. Months of work and thousands of watch hours have led to this milestone, but a duplicate account warning now prevents you from finalizing the application. Within the next 5 minutes, we will locate the specific account causing this block and establish the correct link to your channel. To begin, compile a list of every email address you have ever used for Google, including old personal accounts or forgotten business logins. The Step 2 error indicates an administrative mismatch in the account association process that you can correct with a methodical search. Immediately stop submitting new Adsense applications or clicking Create New Account. Google policies allow only one Adsense account per payee identity. The system automatically rejects new applications if it detects a duplicate already exists in your name. Log in to every email address you have ever owned and search the inbox for Adsense-no reply at google.com. Locating the specific email address attached to an existing Adsense account provides the necessary login to continue the association. Google's system has identified an existing account under your identity that needs to be reconciled before your current channel can be approved for payments. A common misconception is that the email you use for your YouTube channel must be the same email you use for Adsense. Your YouTube login is your storefront identity, used to upload videos and manage your community. Your Adsense payee login is your bank vault identity, managing legal information, taxes, and earnings. These separate identities securely connect without requiring identical email addresses. Mentally separating the channel login from the payment login is necessary to navigate the association process without triggering further errors. In Path A, you link the older existing account you discovered during your search. This is the fastest method and the one YouTube officially recommends. Path B involves logging into that old account to formally close it before applying for a new one through your current email. Avoid closing an older account if it is currently receiving active payments from websites or other YouTube channels. Use an incognito or private browsing window for the association to prevent your browser from automatically signing you in to the wrong Google account. Initiate these changes by clicking the Change Association button inside the YouTube Studio Earn tab. Do not attempt this through the standalone Adsense homepage. Once you reach the Adsense landing page, pause and look at the profile avatar in the top right corner. Manually verify that the displayed email address matches the Adsense account you intend to use. Verifying this profile icon before you accept the association is your final defense against a duplicate account loop. If you linked an existing account, the status typically updates within a few minutes, though it can take up to 24 hours. If you closed an old account to start a new one, expect a waiting period of several days to 3 weeks for full approval. While the system shows an in-progress status, do not adjust your settings. Repeatedly changing the link will restart the processing time. Once processing is complete, the Earn tab will update to show a green checkmark and the Step 2 Done status. The payment bridge is now active. Your channel moves into the queue for the final partner program review. Resolving Step 2 completes the administrative requirements for monetization, allowing your channel to proceed toward the final review stage. If this video helped you fix your YouTube Adsense Step 2 error, subscribe for more straightforward YouTube troubleshooting guides, monetization tips, and solutions to the problems that can stop a growing channel in its tracks. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment with the exact Step 2 message you're seeing. Your issue may be the topic of the next video. Thanks for watching and keep pressing on.